You've been working on your health or your finances or your career and nothing is moving. You're doing the right things in the right area, but the restriction won't budge. What if you're solving the wrong problem entirely? After my car accident, everything looked like a physical problem. The doctors treated my body, the chiropractor treated my body, I treated my body, but the real compression was happening in my professional life and my sense of identity. I had been terminated from my new job because the doctors gave me no definitive timeline of when I would get better for work. Without the title, without the rhythm of managing in a hotel, I didn't know who I was. Restrictions rarely present where they originate. The synovial space diagnostic maps all 8 dimensions at once, so you can see where the actual constraint lives, not just where the symptoms show up. Keep treating symptoms in isolation, another year of effort without movement, or find where the real restriction lives and address it directly. What if the restriction you keep working on isn't the real one? Find out through our free synovial space diagnostic at h2pcollective.com.